Hey you guys, Martin here for Kids Corner. Jacob just bought himself a KZone book. It's got Captain America in it, and it came with a packet of Legos, so Star Wars Legos. So he's going to open this now and show it to you. I think he's going to build a Lego as well. And unusual thing for us at Kids Corner. Noemi got some chicken noodle soup with Charlie and Lola on it, so just wanted to show you. She's gonna eat this now. She's really excited. Hey, Noemi.
Yeah. Papa and your house.
Leave my house.
Yes.
Alright. Just go like this. Yes, I'm gonna put your chicken noodle soup on. Okay, Miller, put it here so we can see. Alright, and build it. Okay. Right, you've got all the pieces. Alright, have fun.
Hi, so this is very unusual. Here's one thing that I've never ever seen. It's very funny. Okay. Number one. Pizza. Number two. Turn it over. Oops, the daisy.
Okay. How are you doing?
Good. Hey, I think we need these. No, what do we need? Do we need this?
Yeah.
Oh, we need these ones. We need these ones.
Yes, one minute. Why?
Come on. Is it all time lapse?
No, it's not them, that's not. So if you talk, whatever you say, we can hear.
Okay, what do we need? Papa, can you please help me?
I'm sure you can do it by yourself.
I just do not know. Oh, I need one of these. These are not very good instructions.
Can I have these two?
What did it taste like, Papa?
Chicken noodle.
I love that thing.
That's fine.
Yeah. There's lots of noodles in there,
Yes.
but not really much chicken.
No. I'm glad you're enjoying it. The Lego Jacob's building is set 30272 and it's an A-Wing Starfighter.
A baddie guy one.
It's a baddie guy one.
I think so.
Did you get a baddie guy in there?
No. Because he can't be any, he isn't anything going to be inside.
Oh.
He's meant to be Captain America, but he's not in there.
Ah.
I think you need 2 of these, Duncan Hook. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
How do you like your soup, Noemi?
Yum yum.
Yum yum.
How about show them it now?
Pardon me?
Show them what they look, what the soup looks like.
I know that's okay. I'm sure it's okay. Check. What are you doing, Jacob? Are you sure it's the right thing here? I think it's the wrong thing here. Look, it's got 2 little bits.
Oh, I did not know it
I
was.
think it's this one here.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Now, it's time to build a back. Firstly,
Papa, now can you show them it?
Hi everyone, Noemi wants me to show you her soup. Chicken noodle soup. Charlie and Nora chicken noodle soup, hang on.
Yeah.
Can I put one piece on? Let's put this one here. Go.
I need to build 2 of these. And I don't even give because I love Lego. So each side has to be the same. You know? Just because one first.
Tell me if you need my help.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the first one. Then just have to stick on the next one. Oops. Oh, come on. This wet. Just think you get cool. This totally goofy.
You're going to build our coffee. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Ah, yes, that's good.
So turn immediately like these. Okay. First. Correct. Then right.
I think you need to build this.
Yes.
Ever want to taste my soup?
Good.
I've tasted your soup, Noemi, thank you.
Little my dad can under these This part is easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Look at the picture.
Yeah.
That's it. Good. Okay. Okay, a picture like this. Let's go like this. Oh, now look. The picture goes like this, and these.
Go like that.
I think I need to turn them.
No, Papa, we
Yes.
don't have to.
Yes, look.
Oh.
Okay, there you go. I'm sure you would have figured it out. Oh, I know why. Yes. Come here. Oops.
Okay.
Just wait a minute. Let me help you a little bit. Just because I like building Legos too, that's why I like to help you.
Yeah, and I'm almost done.
Yes.
Okay, now what next? Firstly, I just took on this. Then I just use this. There's something which I accidentally put.
That's it.
There,
The other
now,
side.
last one. Yeah.
Then you need to do this bit.
Okay, now this one, do one of them. Now we chuck them on like that. Then
That's it. That'll work.
okay, now chuck this on the back.
There you go.
That's it.
And got some extra bits. So there's the A-Wing Starfighter that Jacob got with his KZone book. I think now he's going to go and sit down and read his book. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.